The NIHCM Foundation is pleased to present results for the 2020 Digital Media Journalism Award, which carries a prize of $20,000. This year's finalists are: See How the World's Most Polluted Air Compares with Your Cities, from the New York Times; Inside West Virginia's Opioid Battle, from the Washington Post; Death by 1,000 Clicks, from Kaiser Health News and Fortune; Turned Away, from the Milwaukee Journal Sentinel; What If You Call 911 and No One Comes? Inside the Collapse of America's Emergency Medical Services, from NBC News; Blog series on social determinants of health data, from Mathematica; Military Fights a Deadly Enemy, Heat, from Inside Climate News and NBC News; Hidden Harm, from Kaiser Health News; and Help Me Before It's Too Late, from CNN Digital. NIHCM thanks the independent panel of judges for their thoughtful consideration and expertise in selecting this year's winner.
Hi, I'm Aaron Carroll, one of the judges for the Digital Media Award for the National Institute of Healthcare Management. We're proud to give out the award to Heat and Health in American Cities. The authors were able to use a variety of different media types, maps and interactive graphics, things that wouldn't have been possible in print or, say, TV. But by using digital media, they were really able to get their point across. And what's even more important, they were able to actually affect policy change and improve things for the community in which they were writing. Accepting this award will be Meg Anderson.
I'm accepting this award on behalf of NPR and the University of Maryland's Howard Center for Investigative Journalism and Capital News Service. And really, it's a shame that I'm the only one in this video, because one of the great things about this project was that it was the result of many hearts and minds. First, thank you to the NIHCM Foundation for this honor. We're so grateful that our hard work was recognized and in such good company. We hope this recognition keeps people talking about our findings. Our story showed how the hottest parts of US cities are often the poorest, which means that as climate change makes cities hotter, the most vulnerable people are going to be the most at risk. And we proved that that's already happening. We used satellite data to show the same pattern in cities all over the country, and we showed that in Baltimore, the people living in those hotspots were already visiting hospitals more often. And we also saw it in people's lives. We're forever indebted to the sources who let us tell their stories. At NPR, thank you to Sean McMinn, my co-reporter, and thank you to our editors, Bob Little and Constance Miller, senior producer Nicole Beamsterboer, researcher Barbara Van Werkum, graphics editor Allie Hurt, and our wonderful interns Nora Eckert and Nick Underwood. On the Maryland side, thank you to the director of the Howard Center, Kathy Best, and the director of the Capitol News Service, Marty Kaiser, and a huge thanks to Maryland professors Sandy Beniski and Sean Mussenden for their hard work, and also to the many other talented professors and all the student journalists who worked on this with so much care. I can't name you all here, but your work made this possible. Our hope is that this story is an inspiration for how climate reporting can combine data journalism with intimate storytelling, and how doing that as a collaboration across newsrooms and with students can make a story come alive. Thank you.
To learn more about this year's awards, visit the National Institute for Healthcare Management site at www.nichm.org.